Hi. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a stock at a specified price. Your limit order gets executed the same day as it is placed and is valid until the market closes, that is till 3:30 p.m. Suppose an XYZ stock is trading at rupees 1000 and you want to buy that stock for, let's say, 900 rupees. You can set a limit order of rupees 900. So in this case, your limit order will be executed only if the stock hits rupees 900 or it goes below that. Your limit order may not be executed if the stock doesn't hit 900 rupees. This limit order will get cancelled at the end of market hours. Also note that if you place a limit order after market hours, that will be valid for the next trading day and remain valid until 3:30 p.m. of the next trading day. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.